With version 1.2 of the Management Center, Mobotix integrates the event histogram for quick event search in the playback views. The histogram feature can be performed in the shortest possible time to help the monitoring of events. Implementation is quite simple and intuitive. After selecting the playback view of a camera, the film strip appears on the left side, which opens the histogram bar by simply clicking on it. Here, all the events that are stored in the local event database of the camera are displayed. The frequency distribution of events is displayed graphically. Within the histogram, a zoom function is integrated, which enables the user to visually increase the time segment on the right. In our example, the parking camera depicted many events during the weekdays, in this case Friday. Extended lines mean multiple events. Short lines represent fewer events. We can thus see at a glance that most of the events occurred in the periods between 7 and 10 in the morning and between 5 and 7 in the evening. It is interesting in this application to detect so-called outliers quickly and select them, as here, events that have taken place over the weekend. To this end, we simply adjust the time range by dragging the mouse and thus have Saturday and Sunday in focus. Immediately we have the events in question in view and can select any individual time by clicking to see what occurred. In the zoom range, corresponding longer bars represent higher number of events. To increase the resolution event, it suffices to press this button to a more time-accurate representation of the events received. By tapping the events, we just call them up to play. The zoom range has been previously set by dragging the mouse. We could also select predefined timeframes with this key. Here, for example, 1 day. Using drag and drop, we can select the relevant days. All events that were previously displayed in the histogram led to recordings. The reason is that the event log recording button by default is enabled. If we disable them, we get events in the histogram displayed with no recording, but perhaps other actions were activated, such as triggered alarm mail. To view other event types, we can use this multi-slider. Long pressing of the slider opens a list of available events at your disposal. The event histogram is also available in the grid playback view. With this multi-slider, we can choose whether the event is displayed in the focus window, the events of all cameras of this group are displayed, or all available system cameras are displayed. By default, the complete contents of the event database of the cameras are loaded in playback mode. Beginning and end are shown in the white bars at the top and bottom. By clicking the relevant field, the periods can also be customized.